Walang pag-ibig pero gusto mo magkakondo? Meron kami niyan. Dahil dito sa Monte Carlo East Antipolo, pwede kang pumili kung anong financing ang gagamitin mo. Pwede ka magpag-ibig financing. At kung ayaw mo naman ng maraming requirements na ilalabas at para less hassle para sa'yo, meron ding in-house financing. Napakaganda pa ng location. Walking distance away from Sumulong Highway. Only 3 minutes away to Robinsons Antipolo. Only 10 minutes away from Antipolo Cathedral at katabi lang mismo ng Assumption Specialty Hospital. Tara, check naman natin yung studio unit. Kitchen, toilet and bath, living area, bedroom, dining area. Pinakasulit dahil meron na itong complete amenities na magagamit mo na libre lang. Gardens and roof deck sitting area, jogging path and playground, gate entrance with guardhouse, and ang paborito ko, clubhouse with pool. For more information, contact Heidi Morales at 0976-217-4927. Hanggang sa muli!